Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, Airsoft for Airheads. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button to help the channel grow and keep us in the algorithm so we continue to make these cool videos with all these BBs and CO2s and green gas and stuff. So we did order some stuff. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but let's unbox it and see what we got. I have a feeling I know what some of it is, but we ordered a lot of stuff related to this and unrelated to this. All right, let's see. Wow. All right. Look what we got, people. 10,000 BBs. 10,000. Yes, I said that correct. 10,000 BBs. We're in really good shape. We're in really good shape with the BBs. Should have enough to last us for a while. Let's see here. Oh yeah. 10,000. A lot of BBs. That's a lot of BBs, people. A lot of BBs. So we still have this canister, 2,500. This canister, 2,500. And we still have this one, which is almost all the way full. Almost, not quite, but almost. So we are in really good shape with BBs until you start splashing them all over the place like I normally do. Yeah, we're in good shape with the BBs, that's for sure. We'll be shooting for a while. And the price of these wasn't terrible for 10,000, that's for sure. It wasn't terrible. I think maybe 30 bucks or something like that. Not bad. But definitely worth the money, because we go through these things a lot on this channel. I like to put them in here because this quick loader actually loads the top of this thing. Actually dumps it right into the magazines, which is fantastic with the little hole on it. So I kind of like them in here. Great. Alright, so we're in good shape with BBs. We're in pretty good shape with CO2 cartridges. Got a bunch of them. So I think we'll be having a little fun for a while here. We're stacked up pretty good on all of these. I think that's good enough for now. It's almost full. We'll leave it some room to shake them around and wiggle them in. Yeah, this is great. A lot of BBs in there. 10,000 of them. Stick it in the corner there. Let's get these up out of the way. These over here, these over here, these over here. This over here, and this over here. We're in really good shape. Okay, next. Let's see if this is what I think it might be. I have no idea. I was down here when I got the message that the package has arrived. so I'm not really quite sure. I know what's coming. Alright, let's see. Wow, good stuff. It's what I thought it was. Alright. Another toy. I know you're backwards here, but 435 feet, 25 feet per second. Spin you around here so this way you can see it the same way. A Crosman semi-auto Mako BB pistol air powered support. Flip you over here and show you what we got. Show backyard fun. Yes, it is. Up to 425 feet per second. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. You'll need lots of BBs and CO2s. Well, we got it. We got it. Alright, let's see. In English, it's got the blowback, 12 gram CO2 cartridge, BBs we know, steel. Capacity, 20 BBs, not bad. 1.7 pounds. Smooth bore, full metal, fiber optics. Man, I always used to say fiber optics and I thought I was wrong. That's funny. That's way too funny. I always said fiber optics and I was like, guys, I keep saying fiber optics for some reason. Alright guys, let's get to unpacking this. I know everybody's probably either excited or like, that's an old one, which it probably is, but that's okay because it's new to the channel and new to me. So even if it is an old one, like the UX SA10, unbelievable, especially like I said in the other video with the new spring. God, that thing fires like a real gun. It's strong. All right, so we got some paperwork here. Let me show you what we got. The unboxing. This was right here on the top. So we'll take that out. Ooh, man, that's nice. Well, that's a nice one for the collection. That's real nice. Oh boy. I like this. Really, really short. That's the mag dump. Oh, nice. It's got the CO2 little nipple thing in there to turn it so you don't need any other tools. Oh, it's got nice fiber optic sights on there is right. It's got the green and orange. Wow, that's really nice. I like that. The weight of this is really nice. Alright guys, let me flip you. The weight of that's really nice. I like the weight of that. This is probably the safety, I'm assuming. Let's see. It's fire mode. And that's nothing. Alright guys, so with this one, I guess that's just a decorative hammer that doesn't do anything, because when you fire it, the hammer don't move. When you rack it, the hammer don't stay back. It's nice, nice weight, nice material. Okay, so on the right side of the gun is your safety. You have to actually push it down, and then forward safety. You have to push it like in towards the gun and then back to unlock it, and there you go. Wow, this thing is nice. All right, well, let's see what we get, people. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think the back comes off of this one to load the CO2 in. Yes, it does. Okay, so the back pops right off, and that's where you load in your CO2. Let's get one. Oil it up like always. Or grease it up. I'm sorry, dab of grease. Okay, so it goes nipple first. Then you can put your backpack on. Snap it right in place. I'm assuming. Yep. There it goes. Then you just twist, twist, twist till it gets tight. Then you grab the gun in a way where you can spin everything one good time. Make sure you lock in that CO2 and not waste the air. Quick. See? Quick. Now, what I like to do is take my heavy duty silicone, spray it up where the magazine goes a little bit, a couple of sprays, spray it down the barrel. Just lube all this new stuff up. Does not hurt. I do it all on my guns. Feel like this one could use a better spring in here also. Tell you the truth. All right, let's load up some BBs. And see what we get. This is the little hole in the magazine, BB type loader. These are a pain in the ass, but they're all right. Are we getting anything in? Nothing. All right, let's try the quick loader. See what we get. Yep, the quick loader works great. Yep. Quick loader works fucking fantastic on these magazines. Love it. All right. So, whoa. Test it out. All right, let's put the safety on, people. Let's put our mag in. It's a nice looking gun. Really nice looking gun. All right, let's see what we get, people. We're gonna bring you all the way back here. Sorry, I'm blocking the camera. Let's set our board back up here so we can get you on top of it. Again. And we're gonna shoot from a good distance. The hell with it. I don't have no sights on this. So let's see what we're doing with just the iron sights on this. All right, safety off, and we'll aim for the blue tape over the heart. It's a nice power. Got some really nice power. And we're empty. And we are empty. All right, let's go check out what we did. We were aiming for the blue tape. Over the heart area. Really nice. Got some really nice power. Lower Picatinny rail for lasers or flashlights. It's really a nice weapon. Oh, wow. All the way from 50, 60 feet. We hit the target on the money. Wow. Good shit. So the sights definitely are perfectly on your iron sights. They're perfectly on target. And the gun barrel is straight as an arrow. Shoots beautiful. All right. Fantastic. All right, people. So I'll wrap up this short video for now. Crazy how we had these two surprises today for, or at the moment, I should say, with the 10,000 BBs and the new Crosman Mako. This thing fires fantastic. I give this one a 5 out of 5. I like the way it looks. I like the way it feels. I like the way it fires. I like the Picatinny rail on the bottom there for whatever we want to add, accessory. And I do have a major surprise sometime today. So expect another video. I have a major surprise. See you a little bit later. Peace.